So I got to ask you about headline risk. When you're talking to clients, how are you managing it? I mean, we saw, and I know everybody knows this, but over the weekend, the strike in Venezuela, we hit a record after that, the first trading day after that. And then we're seeing some other volatility in the market based on announcements about housing and defense. How are you just getting your clients to manage all this when it comes to their portfolios?
So what we tell the clients is this really shows the importance of diversification in your portfolios. By having a well-diversified portfolio, both in some areas that have been very popular, as well as companies that haven't been as popular, it allows us to weather this volatility. We also think in this environment, it's really important to remember that this headline risk is probably temporary. Remember, we saw that last year with the tariffs, and that it provides that opportunity to layer into stocks and sectors where maybe valuations weren't as attractive, but they're becoming more attractive now. And finally, time horizon. Time horizon is crucial in investing. It is a rare commodity. So look out over the longer term and be patient, waiting for the stocks to come back into favor.
All right. I want to talk to you about one sector, particular defense. Obviously, it's in the news right now. The president first saying he wants to limit CEO pay, stock buybacks, and dividends, and then saying he wants to boost defense spending by 50% in 2027. When you're talking to investors, and again, you're talking about a long time horizon, how are you viewing defense stocks right now?
So we've been investing in defense stocks actually for a couple of years now, probably actually back to the first Trump administration, on the idea that defense spending was changing, looking at what we call smart defense, so companies, radar, drones, UAVs, et cetera, that are taking advantage of technology. We do think that, unfortunately, we live in an increasingly complicated geopolitical world, and it is important to have exposure to defense. But again, we're looking at companies that are a little below the radar screen, at companies that aren't those household names, maybe aren't the biggest defense contractors, but are subcontractors or are in these new emerging areas, and that's a way to protect against some of this headline risk.